Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to remove Passkey in Roblox in 2026, so you can manage your account login settings easily. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To remove Passkey in Roblox, you can just open your Roblox, and after opening Roblox, you can go to settings. To go to settings, click the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Click settings, and in here, go to account info. And in the account info, you can see that I have a passkey here. I'm just going to click manage and click on the delete icon. Delete the key. And I would need to verify, so I would click verify. Use my passkey. And there we go. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.